Hey, it's Jason again, and I'm here today with our first Jimmy Choo unboxing. So this is a pair of shoes that Lucia got when we were in Los Angeles just before the holidays. And this is a pair of Gala flats. So the sales associate was kind enough to put in these little pads at the bottom that will help support and help fill in the shoe. The reason why we got these is that when Lucia was trying them on, it was a little bit loose, but going down in size was too tight, so this helps fill in to get that half size fill. So if you watch my channel, you know that we usually do a lot of Louboutins, so I'm used to the shoes coming inside of the dust bag itself. With Jimmy Choo, it looks like they have the dust bag separately, and instead put the shoes in a clear plastic bag. I prefer the dust bag just because it looks nicer, and obviously it uses less material. There's less waste with that, but each brand has their own way of doing it. Okay, so this is the Gala shoe. So first thing you notice obviously is all the crystals, especially on the front of the shoe. But they do go back all the way to the back, and of course on both sides. It's also a nice little bow here at the front. And they're also kind enough to put another pad inside the shoe as well. So Lucia has 2 sets of pads, which is pretty nice of them. So Lucia chose these because you know, flats are of course easy to walk in, or easier to walk in. And this is a really almost like a suede fabric feel, so it is also pretty flexible as well. These crystals also give it like a nice shiny look. I'm not sure if it comes through over the video, but I am seeing lots of sparkle from these crystals. So that of course is very, very nice. So Lucia is usually a size 37 in Louboutins. So with Jimmy Choo, she decided to go up to size 38 just because they felt a little bit more comfortable for her. Of course, she did need these pads in here to help fill it in because they did not come in a half size. So you know, if you're looking at that, just keep this in mind, and obviously there's always the option for these little foot pads as well to help fill in the shoe. So that's it for these Gala shoes. Please feel free to leave any comments or questions in the comment section below. Thank you.